Hello and welcome to my channel Pisces Palmist. Here you can learn about all things palm reading related. That's palmistry, hand reading, hand analysis, chirology, chirognomy, dermatoglyphics, all things palmistry related. You've come to the right place. Palmistry is primarily about health and character analysis. There is also an element of divination as well. Palmistry is for anyone who wishes to learn more about themselves and about others. I've studied palmistry since I was 16, so that's 22 years off and on. And I'm now studying under my mentor, Terry Stokes, who is probably one of the best palmists in the world. So each week I will be looking at case studies of unknown palms, and I will be analysing what I can. And when you watch these videos, you'll be learning with me as I go through case studies. And every week I will be showing my findings about what I got wrong and right from the week before. I'll also be releasing videos teaching you about the finer details of palmistry and what all the mounts mean, what all the lines mean, what all the fingers mean, and how to use that information to learn how to read palms as well. So if this sounds like your thing, if this sounds interesting, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thanks for watching.